Okay, guys. So, in light of this, I was putting on the workshop as well as we will have the physical one that will be taking place in a couple of days. We wanted just to give you a bit of information as to what you would need to know in order to, get participate in the elevator pitch competition. So, really, what we're going to be doing is we are going to ask you guys to record a 5-minute video, your own elevator pitch. Okay, so you are actually going to be putting together an elevator pitch as to what makes you the right candidate for us to choose to join DBS. Okay. Now, you're going to have to listen to us now. Why we've chosen DBS is because we discussed this before, and it's really important. It causes you not to get too confused, as well as allowing yourself to align, picking those cherries that we were talking about that align really well with what DBS is all about. So it just gives you a little bit, it's a bit of practice, right? We say practice makes perfect. So practice your elevator pitch. Tell us why you are the right person to join DBS. It doesn't matter about the role. It's more in the sense of why your skills, why your attributes make you the right person to join Dublin Business School as an organization. You have to submit in a video by Sunday, the 13th of March. Your video can be no longer than 2 minutes. Remember, this is an elevator pitch. So you are literally just going to be able to give us a short, kind of quick summary of your highlights, your cherries, that makes you a great contribution to be able to join DBS. Okay, so all you have to do is record your video, no more than 2 minutes. Why are you the right person to join DBS? And make sure you email it to careerdevelopment@dbs.ie. I will be sure, I promise you, Scout's honor, I will make sure that me to share them with Chris. And Chris, myself, Colette, and Andy will be the decision makers, just following on that. And we would really like you guys also to follow the guidelines that Chris has set out today in today's elevator pitch, because it's important. There's no point in getting a guest speaker, someone who knows so much about elevator pitches, coming in to give us his recipe for success and not using it. So make sure that you use it. And if you need to, you can just rewind back and listen to the recap as to the bits that you need to make sure you're included in the elevator pitch. So up for grabs is there will be a cash prize that will be available. And we're also going to be putting together a DBS goodie bag for you. We are also going to be, Chris, you might want to take over on this one. What else are they going to get?
The winner gets access to 3 of my best courses on Udemy. The second place will get 2, and the third person will get 1. Free access for 30 days. They're really well structured and adjusted to making sure you get the job you want the fastest way. There are 3 elements to it: the preparation before interview, the interview, and the business networking. And it's nicely coming together. It's worth together with the great prices from DBS.
100%, because if it wasn't for the fact I'm not a DBS student, Chris, you could count on my video being sent in to you. I wasn't even going to let it wait until next week to open the competition. I would have done it right after we finished this call. But guys, do not miss out on the opportunity of getting not only the cash prize, but the amazing things that are on offer on this. All you have to do is just record your elevator pitch, and it actually is killing 2 birds with 1 stone, because you're practicing. Not to mention, you're also going to get more comfortable, more confident getting in front of a camera and getting in front of any employer and telling them about what it is, what your greatest attributes and the things that you can contribute, and how you can make a positive contribution and impact in any organization.
The biggest here benefit is to get that professional feedback. People investing in professional coaching in relation to career or sales, to get that professional feedback, and having that feedback from our top 3 candidates, I think that's a cherry on the top.
Chris, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much for even just coming in and dropping your golden nuggets as you always do. So guys, if you haven't already been connected with Chris, connect with him on LinkedIn. All of his contact details are there, as well as just in regards to Kotev and how you can kind of get access and a couple of demos in there as well. Okay, so Absolutely. Guys, we really look forward to seeing your elevator pitches, and don't forget, so the 13th of March, no later than 5 p.m. Okay, and we will then announce the winner on the 15th of March, which will be the Tuesday. on social media. So make sure that you're on the Careers Hub Instagram page. If you haven't already, it's DBS Careers_Hub. Make sure you're on there and you can
I'm
get
going
access.
there already.
Amazing. You can get access to all of the upcoming career events, as well as just basically keeping up to date with what we're doing and who we have on, because we have lots of guest speakers like Chris who do come in and they do want to share their wealth of knowledge. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys soon. Chris, thanks again once again.
Thank you for inviting me.
Feel free to join our LinkedIn group. Hopefully I will see you soon. Thank you.